Are you sure the way you use your Tesla every single day is actually helping it last longer? Do you assume that because it's electric and full of advanced software, it automatically protects itself from long-term wear? And have you ever noticed that some Teslas still feel smooth and solid after years, while others begin to feel inconsistent much earlier than expected? In this video, we focus on one daily habit that most Tesla owners repeat without realizing how much it affects long-term reliability and, more importantly, how to fix it step by step with simple, practical actions. Tesla vehicles are not designed to react only to single events. They are designed to adapt to patterns. The battery management system, thermal control, motors, and software logic constantly learn from what you do every day. This means your Tesla is shaped far more by your routine than by one long trip or one fast charge. When that routine is not ideal, the car slowly adapts in ways that reduce efficiency, stability, and long-term consistency. The problem is that this process is silent. Nothing breaks suddenly. There are no dramatic warnings. Instead, the car gradually starts feeling different. The habit that causes most long-term issues is not one mistake, but a combination of small behaviors repeated daily. Many Tesla owners drive short distances, park the car for long periods, keep the battery highly charged for convenience, rely heavily on fast charging, and assume software updates will always correct everything automatically. Each of these actions feels harmless on its own. Together, they create constant low-level stress on the battery, thermal systems, and software calibration. Because the car still drives normally, this stress is easy to ignore. The first and most important fix starts with charging habits. Many owners plug in whenever possible and leave the battery near full just in case. Tesla allows this, so it feels safe and responsible. In reality, keeping the battery at a high state of charge for long periods increases internal stress and accelerates long-term degradation. The solution does not reduce convenience. Daily charging should match real driving needs, not anxiety. Lowering the daily charge limit immediately reduces battery stress. Full charges should be used intentionally, timed close to departure for long trips, not as a permanent setting. This single change often slows battery aging more than any other adjustment. Fast charging is the next part of the habit that needs correction. Superchargers are one of Tesla's greatest advantages, but they become harmful when they turn into a routine. Fast charging delivers high power and heat. Tesla manages this efficiently, but repeated exposure still increases wear over time. The correct approach is balance. Use fast charging when time matters and slower charging when it doesn't. Owners who alternate charging methods consistently report more stable range, fewer efficiency drops, and a car that feels more predictable over the long term. Fast charging should be a tool, not the default solution. Another overlooked part of this habit is passive software ownership. Many Tesla owners install updates automatically and assume the car will always recalibrate itself perfectly. When small glitches appear, they are often ignored because the car still drives. Over time, these small issues accumulate. The solution is awareness. After updates, pay attention to how the car feels. Changes in braking response, energy usage, screen behavior, or driving smoothness are signals, not coincidences. Simple system resets or short recalibration drives often restore stability. Treating software as something to observe instead of ignore prevents minor issues from becoming daily frustrations. Driving style also plays a much bigger role than most owners realize. Tesla's instant torque is addictive, and aggressive acceleration quickly becomes part of the daily routine. While occasional strong acceleration is not harmful, using maximum power constantly increases stress on motors, suspension, tires, and thermal systems. The goal is not to drive slowly, but to drive intentionally. Smooth acceleration, predictable braking, and steady speeds reduce energy spikes and system strain. Teslas that still feel refined at high mileage are almost always driven with awareness rather than constant aggression. Short trips are another hidden contributor to long-term issues. Frequent short drives followed by long parking periods prevent systems from reaching stable operating conditions. Battery temperature management, climate systems, and software logic constantly start and stop. Over time, this creates inefficiencies that show up as higher energy consumption, inconsistent range, or unexpected behavior. When possible, Combining short trips into fewer, longer drives helps the car stabilize and operate more efficiently. One of the most important skills a Tesla owner can develop is recognizing early warning signs. Tesla vehicles rarely fail without warning. Reduced range, changes in energy consumption, slower screen response, or a different driving feel are all early indicators. Ignoring these signs allows small issues to grow quietly. Reviewing energy usage, checking tire pressure regularly, and noticing changes after updates provide valuable insight. Acting early keeps problems small and manageable instead of letting them escalate. Correcting this daily habit does not require drastic lifestyle changes. Start by adjusting your daily charge limit. Balance fast and slow charging. Pay attention after software updates. Drive smoothly when possible and avoid unnecessary stress cycles. These actions work together. When applied consistently, many owners notice improved efficiency, smoother behavior, and fewer surprises within weeks rather than years. The reason some Teslas age exceptionally well while others struggle early is not luck, battery size, or model year. It is routine. Owners who understand how the car adapts and work with that logic instead of against it end up with vehicles that feel predictable, stable, and reliable even as mileage increases. Tesla ownership rewards consistency far more than perfection. The most damaging Tesla habit is not dramatic or obvious. It is an unconscious routine repeated every day. Once you recognize it, fixing it becomes straightforward. Small changes in charging, driving, and software awareness dramatically improve long-term reliability. In the next video, we'll focus on another hidden Tesla issue and break it down step by step with practical solutions you can apply immediately. If you're looking for real guidance instead of vague advice, this series is designed exactly for that.